This is a meditation to help your confidence when learning to drive. It is filled with positive affirmations to hopefully help lift your confidence, allowing you to feel confident being instructed and learning to drive, and stepping out of your comfort zone and trying something new, learning to drive safely with patience and knowing the road rules. Take a deep breath while we begin this visualization, holding the breath for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Feeling more comfortable now, more relaxed. Calm down. You can sit or lie down, whatever you feel comfortable with. You can have your eyes open, watching the screen, or closed. The choice is yours. As we begin to visualize now, you're standing next to a car. You're visualizing the car as you put your hand up to the door handle, opening the door to the car. You open the door, you sit down and put your seatbelt on. Looking at the side mirrors, perhaps you need to adjust them. You look in the revision mirror, perhaps you need to adjust that. As you look into the revision mirror, you look directly into your eyes. With your foot on the brake, you check that the car is in park. You start the ignition and you start hearing the car. You feel good inside, confident. The car starts to talk to you and gives you affirmations, which you can either repeat out loud or repeat to yourself silently. The car is talking to you, giving to you the confidence. If you fall asleep during this meditation, you have set the intention of these words to be absorbed by your subconscious. Let's begin with these affirmations, allowing them to be absorbed. I am safe. I drive safely. I have good reflexes. My car is safe. I can drive confidently at night. I can drive safely in all conditions. I am a good driver. I am a calm driver. I am a safe driver. I am a confident driver. I am relaxed and confident when I drive. I always remember the road rules. I understand and follow the road rules. I am calm and confident when driving. I am relaxed and confident when driving. I enjoy driving. I understand and remember the road rules. I am a confident driver. I am a good driver. I am a safe driver. I drive safely. As you begin to absorb all of these affirmations, you take a breath in now, breathing in, holding it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release. Put a smile on your face, visualize yourself driving, in the car, feeling confident driving. As you begin to drive, Visualize this in your mind's eye. You may wish to close your eyes if they're not already closed, and visualize yourself driving in an area that you know well, turning corners safely, indicating where needed, stopping at traffic lights, stopping for pedestrians, driving safely within the speed limits. I will go silent for 2 minutes while you continue to drive, while you visualize and practice your driving. Continue driving, knowing these streets well, where you live, where you work. Continue driving with confidence, checking the mirrors, driving within the speed limit, abiding by the road rules, using indicators, stopping where needed. As you start to begin now, driving back to where you collected the car from at the beginning of this meditation, you start slowing down, knowing you're going to come to a stop as you check your mirrors and you indicate. Slowing down now and parking the car, putting your foot on the brake, turning the ignition off. You are a good driver. You've undone your seatbelt. You are a good driver. You are a confident driver as you may be beginning driving lessons. Set the intentions of remembering the road rules with ease. Set the intention of listening to your instructor. Set your intention of being patient and being a safe driver. As you come out of this meditation, I wish you well on the road. I wish you many happy, safe journeys. Namaste.